mga one-shot adaptation. And yes, minimodify yung ilang details sa characters. And ayun, as much as possible, stay kami doon sa kung saan minahal ng mga readers sa characters. Sila.
Thank you, Kyosu. Martin, this time?
Siyempre, with almost 400 million reads, iba-iba yung imagination bawat readers. Pero sa AMSE kasi, si author, si Ate Lara Flores, nakipag-work siya sa abroad sa team kung may changes man, malaki or maliit, talagang dumadaan po kay Ate Lara Flores, aka Eat More to Be Happy. So, and, she knows her material very, very well, more than anyone else. And kami as actors, nakipagkwentuhan kami ni Ate Lara. Chinat ko si Ate Lara before, sabi ko, Ate Lara, nakipagkwentuhan ako ni live ni Denzel. Actually kami lahat, ganun, nakipagkwentuhan kami ni Ate Lara para ma-adapt namin yung live yung bawat characters namin. So, yun.
Maganda yun para properly guided sila sa mga motivations, di ba? Ng mga characters nila, what exactly they want to achieve, what exactly the end goal is for them, di ba? So, more of that for sure in season 2. Now, I want to ask Andre and Sarah, you actually have the same question, no? So, ano yung mga development tungkol sa character nyo na gusto nyong itakil? Excited na kayong matakil for this next installment? We want to know.
Sa book ko kasi makikita natin dito yung section E nung wala pa si JJ. So makikita natin yung relationship ng section E kung paano sila nung hindi po sila gaano kadikit. Tsaka siguro yung pinaka-asahan natin at abangan natin dito kung paano natin makikita unti-unting masisira yung section E. Kasi meron tayong Kiefer at Yuri na situation.
Yeah, exactly. And one thing that I really love about AMSE is one thing I really loved about AMSE is kung gaano ka-extensive yung cast, and dahil nga sa sobrang daming characters, there was really a conscious effort na mabigyan ng highlight yung bawat isa. And you know, one season really wasn't enough, kaya sobrang thankful kami na you guys loved AMSE and supported it as much as you guys did. We were given the opportunity to, you know, explore the book too. And dito kasi mas makikilala natin yung bawat character, kung gaano ka-red flag yung iba, yung mga dark pasts. And I'm just really excited to unveil, you know, the true colors of each character.
The true colors of each character. We'll